always more.
What he's saying? That he's saying that never feel sad. You have to happy always. Happy. Because time is going very fast when you are happy. When you sad, the time pass. You are bored, you are bad and you think. You have to always happy.
La gent aquí es dedica en compulsió o bé a intentar oblidar-te les butxaques o bé a ofegar-se en hachís o bé a resar, arravatats, baves, dealers, guies, conductors de barques. Escoles de ioga. Escoles de meditació.
You know, this guy, I just wanted to forget this guy. I really hated this man, you know. And after all this time, you know, going from here to there, running away, after all these 3 fucking years not forgetting him, for whatever reason, I end up in Mongolia and there he is. What am I to do? Huh? Well, have fun, I guess. So, we go together again. We fuck. And 9 months later she's born. Yeah. She would have never been born if I hadn't gone to Mongolia. That I tell you for sure.
El fum negre ens penetra els pulmons i cada dia un de nosaltres es posa malalt. Aquesta ciutat té un secret. Un secret que enganxa.
Which is his number? It's your number.
No, it's not 9. No, 9, 6.
What is it? You ask. What is it?
It's a 6 upside down. Because I want to know. Daniel.
David.
What's the best trip you've ever taken?
My best trip?
Yeah, you must have the best trip. I mean, is it the first time you've traveled?
No. Oh, hey, be careful with the monkeys.
I mean, we all have the best trip.
Yeah,
for whatever reason, you know, because it was adventurous, because it was romantic, because you learned something.
You're going to help me? Un tio té una partitura al cul. Un altre està travessat per les cordes d'una arpa. Un ocell gegant caga. Un home amb ocells negres que surten volants.
Okay, listen another one.
Un poda que em mossegui la cara i m'arrenquin la pell amb les seves dents afilades. Micos tòxics rabiosos, lamentats per la mort.
Where I went, into Mongolia. And the day I arrived, the same day I arrived, I landed there in Ulaanbaatar. I checked into this hotel. I have a shower, change clothes, right? And go down into the streets to discover the city, and I enter into this bar. And I see a fucking asshole sitting by a table there having lunch. Also on his own.
No puc respirar sense patir. Però, ei, demà al matí ja està.